how to use Zillow's Draw on Map to circle your dream area. Now, Zillow's Draw on Map feature is a tool that lets you bypass the standard zip code so that you can outline the exact street and the neighborhood that you want to live in. Now, in order to do this, make sure you add in your location search and make sure you're inside of the map so that you can exactly outline the location that you want. Once you're inside of a map, first of all, zoom into a particular location where you're trying to draw and then tap on the draw option on the top right. Option is enabled. You'll be able to trace your fingers to a circle of your dream area directly on the screen. So you can simply circle it on the exact location and then tap on the apply filter on the top right so that the home outside your boundaries are visible. So using this exact method, you'll be able to use the Zillow's Draw on Map feature to circle your dream area. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.